Okay, so the world of generative video AI is moving at lightning speed, and it is sparking a brand new kind of competition right in Hollywood. We're way beyond just creating a few viral clips now. We are in a full-on, high-stakes race to see if an algorithm can actually create a cinematic masterpiece. And that brings us to the huge question, right? Can an AI really create a film with the scale, the scope, the quality of a $100 million Hollywood blockbuster? I mean, this is a direct challenge to the very core of the film industry as we know it.
So, let's use that $100 million benchmark as our guide. Think of it as the ultimate stress test. It's how we're going to see where the leading AI video platforms truly stand today and what they're really capable of.
All right, let's meet the main players in this creative showdown. There are three major contenders right now, and what's so interesting is that each one has a totally different idea about how to revolutionize cinema. This isn't just a battle of features, it's a battle of philosophies.
First up, we've got Sora 2. The best way to think of Sora is as the artist. Its main goal is one thing: pure, breathtaking visual fidelity. It's all about creating those absolutely jaw-dropping cinematic moments, visuals so stunning you almost can't tell them apart from reality.
Now we have Runway Gen 4, and we can call this one the technician. Runway is just laser-focused on professional utility. It's built for the practical, day-to-day needs of filmmakers, prioritizing efficiency with things like optimized file sizes and, this is a huge one, precise lip-syncing for dialogue.
And finally, there's VO 3, the all-arounder. Now, VO is really trying to give you the best of both worlds. It's trying to strike a balance between that hyper-realism you get from Sora and the practical control you get from Runway. It's the versatile option for creators who kind of need a bit of everything.
So this whole competition really highlights a central trade-off in AI video generation, and that's the battle between pure realism and practical efficiency. Each platform's design is basically a strategic bet on what matters most. Is it the most beautiful image possible, or is it the most controllable tool for a specific job?
And this is where you can see those different strategies in action. Sora 2, with its focus on hyper-realism, is absolutely perfect for those epic establishing shots. Runway Gen 4, well, its efficiency makes it the go-to for controlled edits and any scene with dialogue. And meanwhile, VO3's flexibility makes it a great tool for more general-purpose creative work.
This really gets to the heart of the choice that creators are facing today. Do you aim for the unmatched visual fidelity you get from a tool like Sora, even if it might be harder to control? Or do you need the practical, unrivaled utility of Runway for a professional workflow? That's the core conflict happening right now.
But you know, this isn't just about individual tools competing against each other. It's about how all of them, collectively, are changing the entire creative pipeline. The future of filmmaking isn't about one AI winning. It's about how all of them are going to integrate into the process.
And as we look at that future, two fascinating trends are emerging, and they almost seem to contradict each other. The first is convergence, where the baseline abilities of these tools are all getting more and more similar. But at the same time, we're seeing specialization, where each platform doubles down on its unique strengths to serve different creative needs.
So here's what the new AI-assisted workflow is starting to look like. AI can help you with concepts, with storyboarding, even pre-visualization, creating animated storyboards and test shots in an instant. It can even produce final visual effects and entire scenes. But that last step, that's the key. It's still human-led post-production. The editors and directors are still the ones who refine and assemble everything into a coherent story.
Of course, this revolution isn't just about the technology. It's forcing us to confront some massive ethical, legal, and creative challenges. The excitement around these tools is matched only by the sheer scale of the questions they raise.
And these are the big unanswered questions that are just piling up. If a film is generated by an AI, who actually owns it? How do we value human creativity when an algorithm can produce stunning visuals in seconds? What does it even mean to be a director anymore? The industry and the legal system are scrambling to catch up. So it all comes down to this idea. These AI tools are simultaneously reshaping the future of filmmaking, while at the same time raising these fundamental questions about copyright and the role of human creators. We're in a time of both incredible opportunity and profound uncertainty.
So we're left with a final, provocative thought. As this technology evolves at a dizzying pace, are we just witnessing the birth of a new artistic tool? Or could it be that the next great director isn't a person at all, but an algorithm?